Sean, where are you? Come here, mate. Come on.
Right. Fellow van life, a lot of you know Sean. And as through pumping through social media, we have been trying to raise money, more money, something different. There is a van lifer out there today who is in a spot of trouble, and he is a veteran, which makes it even worse. It's almost like our government, whoever, lets people just literally lie around, do nothing for them. So as a community, we've all got together anyway. But Sean has done something totally amazing. And I'm going to hand the microphone to Sean now. He's going to tell you exactly what's going on and what he's done. And then we'll carry on after that.
Hi everybody. If you do know me, follow my social medias, I'm a very special mate. His name's Kevin, he's over there. I love this bloke, brother, and I just wanted to help him, so I set up a GoFundMe page, linked as many people as I could possibly without upsetting them, just being a little bit forceful, and so far we've raised 1,180 quid, which is going to go to Kevin. Also on top of that, without blowing my own trumpet, it's not about me, I've been busting a gut and I've bought in a 280 amp lithium battery. So without further ado, I'm going to go and get back to, go and get it. It's down here. So if anybody can go onto my social medias, there's links everywhere. Go in there and just give them a couple of quid. You know, it just really will help.
So the GoFundMe page is all over Facebook. Sean's Facebook. I will be pushing that page again myself. He's one of our community, he's a veteran, we want to help him. So, like Sean said, he's put his hand in his own pocket, got a battery for him. Kev, do you want to come and say hello? Come on, Kev. Come up and say hello, mate.
Go on, buddy, you can do it. Come on, everyone, give a big round of applause. This bloke is amazing.
He's got to go through a very serious operation very soon. He was going to lose his van, but again, we're getting together to raise this money so he keeps his van. And he will keep his van, because I'll make sure it myself, and I'm sure Sean will. He's not going to lose his home.
It's for him. Sorry, mate.
Everybody, this is Kev. And I'll tell you something, he's family because he's a van lifer, and that is it. Nothing more, nothing less. Let me just go and get the battery.
Cheers, mate, because it's bloody heavy. We've got a seat. Can someone grab him a seat? Just grab him my way. We'll sit on the battery mode.
Right, I'll let Sean, you know what it is.
Yeah, this is a 280 amp lithium iron phosphate battery that should see Kevin for many years. You know, it's like everybody has battery anxiety, where he lives in it full time, and unfortunately the batteries that he's got are just not adequate. So we come together. You're there, buddy. I didn't mean to embarrass you. I know you are. Yeah.
We love this guy. He's part of, he's his family. At the end of the day, we're all family here. We are one big community. How long have you been in your van? It doesn't matter. Do you do weekends? It doesn't matter. Do you go out for a day? It doesn't matter. Do you live in it? We are all doing the same thing at different times, in different ways. Whether you've got a caravan, whether you've got a van, whether you've got a tent, it doesn't matter. But since being in this community, I've found everybody sticks together, everybody helps everybody else out. That's what I love. That's what this show's about, and that's why this show will carry on every year doing this, we will create a fund, we will help people out, and it'll be you here behind it. So I want to say thank you to everybody, and I think Kev, especially Sean, give them a round of applause please, because they definitely deserve it. We will make sure this man stays in his van and keep it. Thank you.
Thank you, mate. Thank you very much.
My pleasure. We will push the GoFundMe page through all the social media channels. If you go on to Built Not Bought Campers, I will pin it to the featured section on there. Please, even if you just donate a pound is better than literally having nothing. 10, it doesn't matter. Anything you could donate, anything you can help out with, it'd be absolutely amazing, because you're supporting a van life, you're supporting this show, and it shows everybody that we can stick together, we can beat the world. So I think it's time to set up the Neon Disco, give away some freebies!
It's all about you guys.
And I know there's a couple of people here dying to get their hands on whatever I've got behind the stage here. I know it, because they'll be saying, I want a freebie, I want a freebie.
I need
I'm
it.
not carrying that badge off stage. We'll leave it here and we'll get it over on the trolley later.
Can I nick Sean's truck again?
You can by all means.
Cheers, buddy. Thank you very much, everybody.
Thank you, everybody. Give me about 10 or 15 minutes so we can get this set up, get the lights prepared, get the smoke prepared, and I'll get the freebies out.
Cheers, mate. Hi everybody, I'm here at Blue Fix with Luke from Luke's Van Life and Mark. Today I'm going to get some bits and pieces to fit Kevin's battery. So Luke sorted me out with some bus bars, and look at this range.
T-shirts there.
Cheers Luke, thank you very much buddy. I mean, look at all this. This is the stuff you need to be fixing. I mean, it's absolutely quality. I won't touch anything else. So they got a full range. I'll put a link in the description in the website and on the YouTube video down below. I mean, look at this stuff. Who doesn't like a little bit of blue? Yeah. Even get a cat. Look at that.
Bus bars?
Yes.
Yeah?
So there's two in there, positive and negative.
Yeah, there's positive and negative. There's some screws in there as well to screw it to the wall. They're rated for 250 amps.
Lovely.
They are 10 each, so that's 20 quid.
That's what yours are.
Good man. Thank you very much.
Cheers Luke, much appreciated. As always, guys at Blue Fix.
Thank you.
Cheers buddy. Have a good day.
You too.
See you later.
Actually double, yeah.
Got my Victron hat, got my Victron t-shirt, got the bus bars. Let's go and fit the battery. I'm excited because, as you'll see in a minute, it's a mess. But look at this, like van life overland celebration. What a glorious day. Really is. It's gonna be a lovely day. The weather seems to be holding out. But look at this, look. Got Alex over there, Alex Tubbs, selling his merch. Get yourself a t-shirt, 16 quid. All Victron stuff. Hopefully the microphone is doing its thing, because it is a bit windy. But here we are at Kev's van, and I'll just show you the mess. Look at this. Oh, look at all that. So we're going to get rid of all of that. Get rid of all this mess. Got the bus bars. Let's fit them. Right, as you can see, there's like wires absolutely everywhere here. So I'm going to have to like basically disconnect it all. I need to disconnect the solar first, so the panel has got to be disconnected, and then we can work backwards. You need to disconnect the solar first because you don't want any power coming in. So I'll probably just put this on a time lapse because it's going to be quite time consuming. Tidy up all this. It's just a mess. So let's get that done. Right, okay, so the batteries have now been disconnected. I've taken the solar controller off. I'm going to take the Orion off. I'm going to take the inverter off. Get rid of all this, tidy it up. So everything now has been removed. So I've got to do now is basically put all that beggar back together. Really nice. I'm going to get some stuff to clean this up because it's a bit skanky, so I'm going to do that. Right, after a couple of hours, we've rewired everything. We've got the Orion DC to DC in the corner here, the MPPT. We've got an isolator switch for the solar, which is off at the moment. We've got the Bluetooth adapter here, and then the inverter. And then we've got some bus bars. I put them there temporarily because at a later date this whole panel will be all replaced, so it'll look much better. But this is just temporary for the show. All the fuses are on breakers behind here. I know it's a pain in the backside, but we haven't got a piece of wood. If we had a piece of wood bigger, then obviously I'd have a row of the trip switches all here. But unfortunately they're all on the back. Not ideal, but as I say, we're on a show, I'm fitting this and I'm doing the best I can with what I've got. So there you go, all I've got to do now is connect the negative for the solar charger, which is here, which I'm going to do in a second, and then we're going to fit the lithium battery. Right, Fogstar 280 amp hour battery. Let's open it up. Terminals. Jump. And the battery itself. Right, let's get it out of the box and get it in the back. Right, there you go. All done and dusted. All working. Perfect. And we've got the app and we're banging in a little bit of solar. I don't know if the camera can see that, it's a bit, but there you go. Right, so we're all going to have a few beers now, and hopefully at a later date we'll get a bigger piece of wood and we'll have all the breakers on the front, all nice, all trimmed. But yeah, I think you'll agree that that's a lot more tidier, a lot more safer, and a lot more better looking. So yeah, there's Kev, he's a happy man. We've all chipped in. My master tool passer. Thank you very much. All we've got to do now is put all this shit back in. Happy days. Right, let's enjoy the festivities. Gotta have a beer. Right, catch you in a bit.